Let me show you how to fix Snapchat profile picture problem. If you're having issues updating your profile picture on Snapchat, the first thing that you can do immediately in this case is try to restart and update the application of Snapchat. So close the app of Snapchat from the recent app list, head over to the Play Store and search for new updates available. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue. Now, what might also happen is that your date of birth inside of Snapchat is below 16 years of age. So in this case, you won't be able to update your profile picture. So you can just quickly check that by heading over to settings, and right here inside of birthday, you'll be able to see the exact date you've added in. So this might be the exact issue that you're facing. If this is still not the issue, then what you can also ensure is that the See Me in Friends tab is enabled. So if you scroll down a bit, under privacy controls, right here, you'll see the option which says See Me in Friends, Find Friends. Right here, make sure that this option is enabled or checked. This ensures that the public visibility of your profile is made and the issue that you're facing of the profile picture inside of your Snapchat should be now fixed. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. Be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.